Dear all, I never imagined myself following this path in life. My life was perfect. I had a wonderful family, my friends loved me, my walks through the park were inspiring, and I was loved by everyone in class. But unfortunately, it was all part of a life I would have wanted to live without it being just a dream.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things are.
After snoozing the alarm 3 times, George approached it to turn it on. He got up and went to the bathroom, as he does every day. He was very methodical. Warm shower, 2 minutes of brushing his teeth, and 5 more to obtain his fabulous hair combed.
The master of my CEO. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me.
Took his headphones, left his house and started walking. Music was his life, and Imagine Dragons played the soundtrack that set the pace of his doings. That day, he was waiting for the arts and craft lesson, as he knew he was going to do a portrait. He already had in mind who he was going to draw. Then, when the moment arrived and the paper touched the table, he immediately began to sketch his desired portrait.
Look how wonderful drawing Jorge has made. Look everybody, give him applause. Okay guys, the class is over. See you tomorrow.
Hey man, look how handsome he is!
So are you in love with him, George?
Don't you know, George loves boys. Be careful, he'll fall in love with you.
Oh, what are you doing? Hey dude, don't hurt yourself because those 2 years. Hey, is it me? Wow, I look better than in person.
That's not true. You're better in person.
No way. That's because you see me as nobody else does. Come on. What are you doing? Why don't you say anything to the headmaster or the teacher or anybody?
It's okay. I prefer to ignore them.
Valley put his arm around George's shoulder and started walking to his house. When they arrived to his doorway, George asked him to join him for lunch, but Valley had other things to do.
Waking up to ash and dust, I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping up.
George, you're not paying attention today. What's happening to you? George? Okay, go to the principal's office now. Well, look who it is.
Yeah, man. You can't even stand on his feet.
You have to believe in yourself. Life is never going to treat you fairly with this attitude. Don't let them bully you that way. React now.
Hi, Colin.
Shut up!
Who are you talking to? George? George?
Him? Don't you see?
Who?
Bali!
Bali? There is no one there.
I write this letter to say that no one really understood me. Instead, I began to understand. Understanding that the life I felt was real, was really just a dream. Just like you, Valley. No one really understood the need I had of having someone like Valley. No one really understood that Valley was my only need. George.